Hi, I'm Christina.
And I'm Randy. Are you ready for an adventure?
Come see our journey today at Underwood Farms in Moorpark, California.
Lots of pumpkins. Giant pumpkins, tractors, a corn maze, a petting zoo, and so much more. As we normally do, we show Los Angeles as a reference point, and we travel about 50 miles to Moorpark, California. We will be visiting the outskirts of Moorpark, California to see the Underwood Family Farms Harvest Festival. A better reference point might be the Ronald Reagan Presidential Library in Simi Valley, which is 9 minutes away or 6 miles. Don't forget to leave us a like as well because it really helps our analytics. The sign says $14 per person, but that is on the weekdays only.
At Underwood Farms, Moorpark, California. Weekend tickets are sold online only.
For weekends, it is $26 with a $2 discount for seniors, military veterans, and first responders. The tickets for weekends are sold online only and not at the gate. There are large parking facilities available and the parking is free. We're coming in the back door.
Yeah, we're coming in the back down here. We came in up here and we're coming in. We parked over here. We entered here.
Okay.
But it's large.
Okay.
Underwood Family Farm is a smoke and vape-free farm. We got tickets.
There's an additional cost for many of the rides and attractions, and that cost is $20 for 23 tickets. It's a cow train.
Woohoo! That's a different kind of tractor. Oh, look at that. We can make funny faces over there where it says trick or treat. There goes the school bus.
There's a trucker up on that pile of pumpkins.
Yes, there is. Isn't that crazy?
That's so silly.
That's crazy.
You may notice on this adventure that we are joined by 2 of our grandchildren from time to time. And Underwood Farms is a family adventure.
Look at that. It's a giant spider.
Spider where?
Yeah, right here. See the little spiders.
Oh.
We're seeing the backside of the spiders. Flowers over there. Look at all of those.
I can't see them. They're over there.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to them.
We got avocado tree. It says avocados will be ready in May. Wow, they got lettuce. I saw some lettuce.
Sunflowers.
More sunflowers. Eucalyptus trees. Wow. So these look like more raspberries. Oh, look, they got tomatoes. Look at all those tomatoes.
They have a lot of them.
Yeah.
Can they say moo in that?
Yes, moo under the thing. Moo! Look at this. Look at all of these pumpkins. Oh my goodness.
Christina. back the pumpkins. Wagon rides, a corn maze, pumpkin patch, tractor displays, the animal center, play yards, pig races, and live music are all included in the weekend mission. There, the 26th annual Harvest Festival at Underwood Farms is held from September the 30th until October the 31st. Like the majority of events for Halloween in Southern California, it comes with a hefty price tag.
I think I know him. I know this. Really?
We're taking a tractor ride. And away we go!
This is fun.
I'm heading to the field. Orange trees. It's nice that they mark it so you can see what's growing. Oh, way out here there's a corn maze. That's pretty cool. Go get lost in the corn maze. Look at how far out the corn maze goes.
Way far out there.
Yeah.
I see a couple bobbing heads.
Bye-bye.
The Fairy Tale Trail presents Jack and the Cornstalk.
And you can see people out there in the corn maze. Way out there. There are signs throughout the corn maze that tell the tale of Jack and the Cornstalk. The added fairy tale is a really great idea to add another part to an adventure of finding your way through the corn maze. It's especially wonderful to introduce a maze to a younger crowd.
Let's head on down this way. Well, we're trying to find...
It's great because they've got a story for the kids all the way along the way, but they have this all netted off so that you can't get at the corn stalks, so nobody can ruin them. So the corn stalks don't get trampled by the people or tore into. They've got this netting all up along here with a fence, keeping it growing nice. So it makes for a nice big corn maze. So all along the route there's a story that's told about the giant And Jack and the Cornstalk. She found another one. The story continues. We got a helicopter taking off right here. Oh, there it is. Wow. And so that's the corn maze. And you finished the story of Jack and the Cornstalk. A nice touch to a corn maze. I like it. Jumping on top of the haystack. Jumping on top of the haystack.
Hey, hey, hey!
Hey! Hey! Sunflowers are full of bees. Lots of bees in those sunflowers. I don't see no seeds, just the flowers. Wow.
Sorry, Bubba, sorry. You're not the cat. I get the confused cat by being
It's pretty cool. Pretty cool to see all this stuff.
Alright, we're gonna go this way, Mom.
So we get out here on the farm and here's everything. And now we got tomatoes. Big tomatoes. Wow. Well, lots of them growing. We got some red ones over there. Big tomato. Over here it looks like we got some peppers. The peppers growing. Really good stuff over there. Peppers and tomatoes. We came to see the pumpkins and looking at the peppers and the tomatoes. That's the way it goes. You got spicy peppers. Nice spicy peppers growing in the field. There you go. That's a picture of the corn maze from the distance. You can see the people jumping up on the hay bales. You can go all the way out in the field and pick all the way out here. The grandson Peter. Grandson Peter having apples. Actually, it's tomatoes. He thinks it's an apple. Yeah, some nice pretty flowers out here too. The flowers are nice. Got pretty flowers. Flowers and sunflowers. All kinds of things. And it's always wonderful to be out on the farm. Could be just a perfect flower. Or it could be a sunflower. Here's a list of all the things that are growing on the farm and when they should best be picked. Let's see, tomatoes. Heirloom tomatoes. Wow.
Okay, hold on to me.
Back out in the farm field.
This is it.
I guess he got tired of sitting down. We're going to stand up to ride. We're going through the tunnel.
Yeah. Ready?
People walking out to the fields. In a corn cannon, huh? That looks like fun. He's loading the cannon up. Almost. A little to the right. Oh! Oh, see? It's growing there.
These little pumpkin here, they're called sugar babies. They're $4 each.
When they're down in there like that. Little sugar babies. Like that one. Down there. This is one area where they're actually growing the pumpkins. The majority of the larger pumpkins are brought over from the field across the road. Scottish Highlander cows? They look like those long-haired hippies. Hippie cow. Donkeys. They make a little chute where you buy the food. There you go. Now you're tall enough. There you go. You gotta put it there. Oh yeah, there you go. See, that's so the donkey can eat it. He's eating it.
Why did it come out?
Well, put a whole bunch there. See, watch. He's gonna eat it. Uh-oh, there you go.
Yes.
There you go. Go ahead.
You can stand up and see better. Stand up. See?
Oh, see, the donkey's gonna eat it.
Look. Push it in there. Okay.
Big rabbits. Underwood Family Farms has been passed down from generation to generation. The farm is owned and operated by Craig Underwood. Since 1980, the farm has operated a thriving farm stand as well as a plethora of educational opportunities for young and old.
Cute baby dogs. Look at them. They're eating the food that's in the thing. And the sawdust.
Okay, baby dog come.
All right.
Put your head through. Got those funny goats overhead. The farm actually has two locations, one in Moorpark and one in Somas. Both open to the public for tours, and they're popular pick-your-own produce. You pay for the produce by the pound. pig races, duck races, and all kinds of stuff. Besides guessing the weight of this particular pumpkin, there's also giant pumpkins available for purchase. But you better have a big truck. Look at the size of that thing. Huge, huge, huge. Got a country store.
Like that tower of pumpkins.
That's a good looking
Like
wagon.
the bag on the back that catches the poop.
As soon as Christina saw this pumpkin house, she said, "Oh, we need to build one of those at home." But I don't think so.
Welcome to my patch.
She got a house. It's a whole house.
A basket of pumpkins.
Gorgeous. It's gorgeous. What they should have is a contest to guess how many it takes to fill that giant basket.
Chicken strips, fish and chips, mac and cheese, nachos, gourmet baked potatoes. A lot of these places are cash only. Some places are cash or debit. Got pumpkin pie, donuts, smoothies, coffee bar, chicken wrap, pesto grilled cheese sandwich. Now that sounds like something delicious, like fair food.
So I'm walking through the pumpkin patch because I want to get over here to this tractor. That tractor weighs 28,000 pounds and costs $454,500. No wonder food prices are high. But for the price, at least you get air conditioning, Bluetooth, and cruise control. All kinds of things going on here. It's Underwood Farms. These pumpkins take a whole pallet. Take a whole pallet to carry. The question is, how do you get it? It's huge. That's one big pumpkin right there. The size of it.
There.
She's being a pumpkin picker.
Peter Piper picked pumpkins.
White ones. Big orange ones.
You got full moon pumpkins, which are huge, pearly white, ideal for decorating. There's a whole patch. They're $50 each for these pearl white ones. Yeah, they're mooning us.
Look at the size of this thing.
They're huge. Yeah.
There's a map showing exactly where everything is located on the farm. The actual normal operating hours of the farm vary from season to season and depends heavily on what's growing at the time. If you enjoyed our vlog, please subscribe
Ring that notification bell.
and give us a like. It lets us know you care.
And we'll see you on the next adventure.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, that's it for us. Thanks for coming, everybody. We sure do appreciate it when people enjoy our music. Now, if every one of you could get up and shake your tail feather, we might be able to distract that farmer and skedaddle out of here. And if that doesn't work, well, we'll just see you at the next show.